Using the remainder theorem, which binomial divisor results in a remainder of 176 for this function. So basically, they're just asking you to divide this into this, and see what you get for a remainder. We're supposed to use the one with the remainder of 176. So this is in the section that has synthetic division. In synthetic division, you take each of these divisors. The first thing they want us to do is check x plus 1. Okay. And the root of the divisor gets written up here. And then you write the coefficients of each term of the polynomial up here. And if there was if we didn't have this term, we'd put a 0. We're supposed to put descending powers. Okay, and then give yourself some space down here, put a horizontal line, and you carry down the first number always. You always draw an arrow and carry down that first number. Then you multiply -1 and 1, and then add the column. Multiply -1 and 14, then add the column. So it's a quicker way of doing division than doing long division. Synthetic's quicker. -1 times 46 makes -46. Add the column. So I use synthetic division between these two, and I got 54 for a remainder. So that's not our answer. We need to check the next one. The next one has a root of -5, which means you can plug in -5 and you get out 0. So copy down the coefficients. Again, you always draw an arrow and carry down the first coefficient so you have something to multiply to. -5 times 1 is -5. Add them up. -5 times 10 is -50. Add them up. -5 times 10 is -50. Add them up. So we got a remainder of 50 on that one. So -6 would be the next root. Carry down the 1. -1 times 6 is -6. And then add them up. -6 times 9 is -54. Then add them up. -6 times 6, this definitely won't have a remainder of 176, right? Oh, so we got to keep going. We'll get really good at synthetic division after this problem. Carry down the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Add them up. That makes 21. 6 times 21 makes 126, and then add them up. And then 6 times 186 is going to be something big, and 100 plus something big, we're definitely going to be over 176. This one didn't work either. Oh, maybe we'll have better luck with x minus 5. We put the root of the divisor here. And then we start doing our synthetic division. 1 times 5 is 5. Add them up. 5 times 20 is 100. Add them up. 5 times 160. We're going to be way too big there, right? We get 900 for a remainder, so that's not it. The last one must be it. Plug in 1. Carry down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add them up. 1 times 16 is 16. Add them up. That's 76. Yes, this one's going to work. 1 times 76 makes 76. And you add them up, you've got 176 for your remainder.